Hi guys, I'm Ashish and this is a way to English. I know it can be difficult to understand classroom English and classroom expression. So I made this video to help you out to understand classroom expressions. First one is greetings. Good morning children. Good afternoon children. Good evening children. How are you children? We are fine, thank you sir. How are you sir? I am also fine, thank you. What day is it today? What is the date today? Now come to the checking attendance. Please listen to me. Now I am going to call your names. Now I will take your attendance. Okay, listen while call your names. Say your names for attendance. Let me take your attendance. Answer your attendance. Ravi, can you give me your attendance? Were you present yesterday? Is Ravi absent today? Where are Padma and Ravi? Look here. Now come to the physical conditions in the classroom. Come to the blackboard. Write your name on the blackboard. Write the date on the blackboard. Open the door. Shut the window. Close the door. Go back to sit. Go back to your seat. Please listen to me carefully. Come forward. Sit in the first row. Stand up. Please turn on the fan. Please turn off the fan. Form in a group. Come and sit beside Ravi. Move a little bit. Don't move. Now come to the control and discipline. Listen, don't say anything. Don't make a noise. Please keep quiet. Look here. Look at the blackboard. Please listen to me carefully. Stop talking. Will you stop talking? Write with a pencil or pen. Avoid eating in the class. Come and sit here. Stand up. Raise your hand. Stop doing that. Get out. Wait outside. Don't say like that. Stay here. Go back. Shut your mouth first. I will tell your parents and headmaster. Just listen. Stretch your hand. Come to me. Listen what I say. Be silent. Talk politely. Don't wander in the veranda. Come here. Go to the playground. Please pay your attention. Stand in a line. Give her some space. Don't call her by her name. Don't see badly. Don't say badly. Do your work. Don't give us disturbance. Don't come late to school. Observe carefully. Try to come in time. Don't be silly in the class. Go silently. Who is making a noise? What are you doing in the last? What are you eating in the class? Rani, are you sleeping in the class? Don't you do homework in class? You must come to school before. You must not come late. Why are you late? Come in. Get in. Come inside. Go to your classroom. Now come to the beginning of the lesson. What did I say yesterday? Where did we stop the lesson yesterday? Who can say what I did yesterday? Who knows it? Can anyone read what I have written in the blackboard? Have you brought your workbooks? Can anyone say what I did yesterday? What Ravi? What happened to you? What happened to you? In the morning class, I told you a story. Now I would like to continue. Now I am going to draw something on the blackboard. Watch it carefully. Have you done the homework? Show me your homework one by one. Why have not you done your homework? Ravi, come here. Write the date on the blackboard. Show me your copy writing notebook. Take out your notebooks. Open your workbook, page number 14. We discussed it yesterday. Now come to the while teaching the lesson. Can you see the picture? Can anyone answer the question? Have you understood it? Can I clean the blackboard? Can you give me an example? What is the picture of? What I mean? At what time? Which one? What I am telling is. Let me say first. Whichever is less. Whichever is more. Whatever it may be. As for my knowledge. In other words. In the meanwhile. In the meantime. Now we are going to read these words. It is very important. Now come to the classroom instructions. Has the bell rung? Has the bell gone? Read aloud. Read silently. Write quickly. Please say it again. Say it aloud after me. Don't say it after me. Come and meet me after the class. Say answers these questions. Is it very clear? Is there any more doubt? Don't say in group together. Follow me. Write down. Take down. Don't write. Listen to me. Go and blow your nose. Underline the words with the pencil. Tell me what happened actually. It is. Let us begin. Now come to the ending the lesson. Take this as homework. Do your homework at home. Let us stop the lesson here. Listen to me. You have a class tomorrow. You will be here by 8 a.m. tomorrow. Time is up. Close your books. You may go home. Now come to the examination hall. Don't disperse the answers. Don't exchange answers. Take out cheat sheets if any. Write quickly. Stop writing. Sit right. Tie your paper, then write. Time is up. Check your mistakes. Please write your register number in the box given. Please write your name on your answer sheet. Write the question number in the margin. Try to write bold letters. Keep your paper on the table. Don't peep on others' papers while writing exam. Give back your answer papers. Think before you write. Don't fold your answer sheet. Does anybody want additional sheets? Now I am closing giving additional sheets. Stop writing. Don't write here. Read instructions before writing. You first go through the question paper. If you have any cheat slips, give to me. Don't copy from others. Now come to the prayer assembly. Those who came late, stay here. Those who are not in uniform, stay here. After disperse of the prayer, go to your classrooms in a line. This is a Mr. Ravi. Would like to say a few words about the significance of a Teacher's Day. I would like to say a good quotation. Form in a line in a class wise. Here is an important announcement. Please listen to me carefully. All of you go to your classes in a line after the prayer. Be silent. Now come to the while conducting special occasions. All of you sit calmly, sweet will be distributed. Come forward. While meeting is going on, don't make a noise. Ravi, come up the stage and sing a song. Please give him a big hand. The first prize goes to Ravi. Come forward and receive your prize. I request our Honorable Headmaster to address this occasion. It's my pleasure and privilege on this happy occasion. I am very happy to be associated with all of you. I request Mr. Srikanth, our English language teacher, to speak on this occasion. Let me take leave of you. Thank you one and all. In this video you learned about the classroom expressions. I am there to help you not only through videos but through question and answers. You can ask me a question below comment box about any of the video or anything question in your mind that you may have. You can ask me. So thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you next video. Bye bye.